In this demo, I'm going to show you how AI works in managing orders. In scenario 1, order status with valid order number. The customer initiates a query by asking the agent, "May I know the status of my order?" The agent politely requests the customer to provide their email address for verification. The customer provides their email address, and the agent retrieves the customer's 3 most recent orders associated with that email. The agent then asks the customer to specify the order number they would like to check the status for. The customer provides a valid order number, and the agent promptly displays the status of the specified order in the conversation. Scenario 2. Order status inquiry with incorrect order number. The customer again asks the agent, "May I know the status of my order?" As before, the agent requests the customer's email address. The customer provides their email address, and the agent retrieves and displays the latest 3 orders associated with that email in the conversation. The agent asks the customer to specify the order number they wish to check the status for. This time, the customer provides an incorrect order number. The agent responds politely, "It looks like the order number you provided is incorrect. I've created a case for you, and our team will look into it." The case number is then shared with the customer for reference, ensuring the issue is addressed appropriately. Thanks for watching.